Okay, Assalamualaikum. There are some exercises here. Okay, so a separation of metal based on control cathode potential analysis can be achieved. So the following examples will illustrate this point, which the potential required to initiate deposition of metal can be calculated. Okay, example 1. Okay, calculate the potential required to initiate deposition of copper. Okay, so what is the material to be deposited? Copper. Okay, from a solution, pH solution. Okay, acidic. So this is the concentration of copper sulfate. Okay, using copper sulfate. Okay, so okay, so in this solution contains copper as well as H plus. So there are two electrodes will be involved in this electrogravimetry, okay, by applying, for example, voltage. Okay, for example, this is anode, okay, positive. So what will happen here at anode is this is anode, platinum. So the evolution of oxygen, okay, so from water will evolve oxygen through this reaction. Okay, water will oxidize to oxygen at anode. At cathode, okay, this is cathode, the deposition of copper. So this process, copper will reduce. Okay, so one is oxygen evolution. This is the standard. Okay, from water to oxygen, 1.23 volt. This is copper 2 plus to copper. Okay, so the value is 0.34. So you should calculate the cell potential at E cathode as well as E anode. Okay, both sides. What is actually happen here at the interface as well as here. Okay, so the reaction is copper deposition here, and at the anode the oxygen evolution. So then you will know what is the E cell. Okay, by using this equation, E cathode minus E anode, you will know what is the question is what is the potential required to initiate the deposition of copper. So using Nernst equation at both sides, okay, one for cathode, okay, so this is the concentration in the question of copper 2 plus. So this is the value for standard for copper. This is at cathode. Okay, so the reduction of copper 2 plus. So this is Nernst equation. This is 2 number of electron. So you will get this here at cathode. The value here is positive 0.278 volt. Okay, so here is the evolution of oxygen. So this is the value for standard water to oxygen. So the number of electron is 4. Okay, so this is the acid. pH is 2. So this is hydrogen concentration at pH 2. pH is negative log H. You can get log H 1 times 10 power negative 2 power of 4, because there is 4 H here. Okay, so then you will get 1 point here. At this electrode, the value is 1.112. So then you will put the value in this formula. So you will get E cell equals to negative 0.834 volt. So this is the potential which copper will start to reduce. Copper 2 plus will start to reduce. Okay, so this is 0. So you should apply negative 0.834 volt in order to start the copper reduction to copper. Okay, so if you use lower or more positive direct here, for example, negative 0.2 volt, you will not get the product. You won't get copper on the cathode because it not deposit. It cannot is the because the initial deposition potential is negative 0.834. If you use negative 104, it's a lot of copper will produce on the platinum. Okay, probably with the co-deposition with hydrogen evolution. Okay, so if you want to get a very smooth coating of copper, you should use a low potential. Okay, but you must know what is the initial deposition potential for copper. Okay, you must do this calculation. Okay, second question. Electrogravimetric analysis involving control of cathode potential is used to separate. There are two metal cation in the mixture, bismuth 3 and stannum 2. Okay, and each ion has this 0.1 molar concentration, and this is the electrolyte. Okay, so calculate the theoretical cathode potential at the start of the deposition of the more readily ions. There are two ions, but which one is more readily reduced? How to identify is based on this value. Okay, more positive value will be more readily reduced. It's easier to be reduced compared to more negative. More negative is located lower and less reduced cation. Okay, we do the first one, A. Okay, so this is given. Okay, so this is represent bismuth 3 in the form of this cation. So we'll reduce, okay, in acid to bismuth metal, and also stannum 2 will reduce accept 2 electron to form tin or stannum coating or metal. So the question number A is calculate the theoretical cathode potential at the start of deposition of the more readily reduced ion. First, identify the more readily reduced ion, which is bismuth 3. So you do this Nernst equation. Okay, so you know this. Where do you get this from? Here. Okay, identify the more readily reduced ion, which is bismuth. Then you use Nernst equation. So this is the concentration given 0.1. So then you know the theoretical cathode potential to start the deposition of bismuth 3 is at 0.3. Okay, so 0.3. This is 0. Okay, we erase this first. Okay, so this is okay, this is 0, this is 0.3 positive. Okay, so start to reduce. Okay, bismuth 3 to reduce to bismuth 0. Okay, solid. So question B, calculate the residual concentration of the more readily reduced species is bismuth. Bismuth O plus equals to bismuth 3. Okay, so this is negative 2, the charge. Okay, bismuth plus negative 2 equals to positive 1. So you will get bismuth plus 3. Okay, so the more readily reduced species, which is bismuth, when the less reduced begin to visit. Okay, so less is stannum 2 begin to visit. What is the concentration of bismuth 3 plus when stannum start to reduce? Okay, so how do you solve it? Okay, so you must calculate the potential required to start deposition. Okay, use Nernst equation. You check this first. What is the potential stannum start to reduce? Just now we have determined bismuth at 0.3 volt. Bismuth 3 will reduce to bismuth 0. Okay, so next is stannum. So what potential the stannum 2 plus will start to reduce? Use this. You know the concentration. You know this is standard for stannum Okay, then when you calculate using this Nernst equation, you know that is more negative 0.166. Okay, and the less readily reduced ion will reduce, start to reduce. This is stannum 2 to stannum 0. Okay, so this question asks you to find what is the concentration here at this point. Okay, what is the concentration of bismuth? Okay, what is the concentration of bismuth when stannum start to reduce? Okay, so by knowing this, what is the potential at that point, at that moment, so you should use again this to relate with bismuth. So what is the E measured? Okay, equivalent to where the stannum start to form. So you want to find X. What is the concentration of X at this potential? Okay, so you know all this. This is given or you have calculated at what potential here. Then this is the standard for bismuth. Okay, so this is 3 electron involved. So the missing is what is X, the concentration of bismuth at negative 0.166 volt. So this is the missing, or the concentration of bismuth 3 plus at negative 0.166 volt. Okay, that's all. Thank you.